Hi, and welcome to this quick video on how to make tabouleh. Okay, first, your ingredients: parsley, bulgur wheat, finely diced tomato, very finely diced red onion, finely chopped mint, lemon, salt, and olive oil. So, first thing, with your parsley, when you prepare your parsley, take scissors and chop it at the end of the stalk. The stalk bits make it a little bit bitter, so you're best not to have those in there. If you have the time to do that, chop those off there. When you are chopping the parsley, whether you chop it on a board or in a blender, make sure it's as dry as possible. You don't want your parsley wet because it will bruise, and bruising again makes it taste bitter. So all you do, add your mint in first, give it a good mix up. Your red onions, and all you're looking for here is a really good mix to mix everything around so it looks consistent right the way through, and put as much or as little as anything that's in it as you like. Some recipes call for garlic. What I'm making is how I was taught by my Lebanese mother-in-law, so no garlic in this one. Finely chopped tomato. Now when we do the tomato, take as much of the seeds out as you can. It tends to make the salad soggy, so normally I would dice these finer. However, for the purpose of this video, I wanted you to be able to see the individual ingredients. The bulgur wheat. So this is soaked in water so that it doubles in size, and you just add as much as you like into it. Some cultures add equal bulgur to parsley. I prefer not to do that, just for taste and consistency. So always look for the colour that you want and taste as you go. So let's just try a bit of that. That's good for bases. Some salt, a bit of olive oil, and then squeeze your lemon in using a sieve. So if you happen to have lemons with seeds, it won't matter. You won't get those in there. You'll just get the lovely juiciness of lemon. So I'm using 2 lemon for this mix. If you'd like recipe details, send me a message. I'm happy to send you measurements. I usually do mine by sight and by taste. And you want it fairly wet. So you're looking for a little bit of saltiness, a little bit of lemoniness, and the smoothness of olive oil to soften the parsley a little. And let's just try that again. Beautiful. For more tips on how to make tabouleh and other foods, keep watching my channel.